Good morning, friends. Today is 19 January. Let's start today's current affairs session. Question number 1. Recently, in which state Karuna Abhiyan is launched to save birds? Actually, in northern region of India, the festival Makar Sankranti is celebrated. Similarly, in Punjab, the festival is named as Lori, and in Gujarat, the festival is named as Uttarayan. So, to save the bird from injury of in the process of kite flying, the Karuna Abhiyan is launched in Gujarat. So, let's know more about Gujarat. Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar, and the state is formed on 1 May 1960. Governor of Gujarat is Acharya Devvrat, and CM of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani. Question number 2. Which district is overall champion in 34th Haryana State Junior Athlete Championship? So answer to this question is Sonipat with 14 medals, and second position Ishar with 12 medals, and third position is shared between Bhiwani, Charkhi Dadri, Jind with 9 medals. It is a 2-day sport event organized in current stadium of Karnal. Question number 3. To which field late Ghulam Mustafa Khan belong? He belongs to Hindustani classical music. Let's know more about him. He got awarded Padam Shri in 1991 and Padam Bhushan in 2006 and Padam Vibhushan in 2018, and he also got Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 2003. Question number 4. Which country will presidize over this year? That is going to held on 11 to 13 June. G7 summit in Cornwall. So answer to this question is UK. Let's know more about G7. G7 is group of 7 member countries which includes America, Canada, Germany, France, Italy, Japan, Britain. It is established in 1975. Let's know more about UK. UK capital is London. UK currency is pound sterling. PM of UK is Boris Johnson. Question number 5. Which day is International Day of Epidemic Preparedness celebrated? So 27 December is answer to this question, and in 2020 it is 27 December 2020. It is first time to celebrate the International Day of Epidemic Preparedness by UN. Question number 6. Which state has launched one school, one IAS scheme? Answer to this question is Kerala. Actually, in one school, one IAS scheme, the free coaching for civil services is provided to about 10,000 students of Kerala, which are economically weaker. Let's know more about Kerala. Kerala capital is Trivandrum. The state is formed on 1 November 1956, and the governor of Kerala is Arif Muhammad Khan, and CM of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan. Question number 7. Who has been named as Vice President of West Bengal Unit of Ruling Tribunal Congress? So answer to this question is Shatabdi Roy. She is currently a MP of Tribunal Congress. Let's know more about Tribunal Congress. Tribunal Congress is the party is formed by Mamata Banerjee in December 1999, and the symbol of Tribunal Congress party is Jora Ghas Phool. Let's know about West Bengal. West Bengal capital is Kolkata, and the state is formed on 26 January 1950. Governor of West Bengal is Jagdeep Dhankad, and CM of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee. Question number 8. Which gaming firm becomes first to file IPO? IPO means initial public offering. So answer to this question is Nazaria Technology. Actually, this is the gaming company which has launched famous famous for its cricket game CWC, Cricket World Championship? So answer to this question is Nazara Technologies. Question number 9. In which state is recently snowshoe run organized? So answer to this question is Jammu and Kashmir. The snowshoe race is organized in Srinagar, and the snowshoe run is organized by Snow House Federation of India to organize sports event in winter or snowfall areas. Question number 10. In which state PM Narendra Modi will hand over land patta to landless people on 23 January this year? So answer to this question is Assam. Let's know more about Assam. Assam capital is Dispur, and the state is formed on 26 January 1950. Governor of Assam is Jagdish Mukhi, and CM of Assam is Sarvanand Sonowal. Question number 11. Recently, which ministry has launched Saksam campaigns? So answer to this question is Petroleum and Natural Gas Ministry, and we know our Petroleum and Union Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister is Sri Dharmendra Pradhan. Actually, in Saksam campaigns, there is the campaigns to know preparedness in people about the green source of energy like biofuel. Question number 12. Who led foundation for 97th Battalion of RAF? RAF means Rapid Action Force. Answer to this question is Amit Shah, and the whole setup is going to held in Bullapur near Bhadravati in Shimoga district of Karnataka. Question number 13. Who announces Startup India Seed Fund Scheme? Answer to this question is PM Narendra Modi, and Narendra Modi is our 15th PM of India. Last video question. Which day is celebrated as Goa Liberation Day? Answer to this question is 19th December. And your today's own question you have to answer in the comment section. Every year on which day Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is celebrated? Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.